Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to log in TikTok account using your Google account in your mobile phone. So okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. So okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, all you have to do is go to TikTok application in your mobile phone. And okay guys, here in TikTok homepage, okay, go to me on the lower right side on your screen. And after that, okay, you can see this sign up button, okay, click sign up button. And okay guys, here, okay, click login button. And okay guys, here in login button, okay, in this tutorial, I will show you how to log in using your Google account. So okay, all you have to do is select continue with Google. And okay guys, the pop-up will show, and okay, choose an account to continue to TikTok. So okay, you can choose the email or Gmail you want to log in to your TikTok account. So okay, I have choose the one of my email. And okay guys, there are question here when yours birthday. So okay, you can set your birthday, but don't worry, your birthday won't be shown publicly. So okay guys, after you set your birthdays, okay, click next button. And okay guys, we have to create a username. Okay, so okay guys, after you create the username, okay, click sign up button. So okay guys, all you have to do is click the me on the lower right side on your screen. And okay guys, we have successfully logged in your Google account into TikTok account. So okay guys, that's it. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. So okay guys, thank you for watching.